Good morning, all my cheesy friends out there in YouTube world. You know what today is. Today is get out here and get that money. So a little bit of a different spot for me. I went 30 minutes north because I've got some things to do today that require me up here. So we're gonna check out the Walmarts and other places up here and see what we can find. First off, there's a lot of crap in this aisle. First things first, check this out. $71.99. Now that's expensive, right? Like, we all know that's expensive. And whoever's being rude out there is being rude. But check this out. I'm gonna make 66 bucks on that bad boy. And she's got a heck of a rank too. Alright, I know. I always tell you guys, don't go by rank. Something like that, we can go by rank. God, that person is incredibly loud. Whoa, Legos. I will tell you guys, there is a ton of Legos starting to go on clearance. It's a little iffy, as it always is, but definitely be on the lookout. These prices don't impress me. 40 down from 56. 39 down from 44, but we'll just double triple check just to make sure that they're not overpriced, which they probably are, and they are $40. Yeah, as I expected. The rest of it was hot garbage, but look at this. Y'all see it, right? It's a sea of yellow. Unfortunately, let me just show you what kind of sea of yellow we're talking about. $1.88 off. This one's decent, but I'm gonna tell you, I know that those aren't on Amazon. I've already looked. Garbage. Yeah, it's typical Walmart. It just happened, so it's probably at 15% off. It's stuff to pay attention to. But like, I've heard rumors of Gabby actually putting out IP complaints now. Amazon's probably on this listing. Yeah, see, like at $9.50, it's not even worth it. Just keep your eyes peeled. There'll be stuff that'll drop low enough. Y'all also know I love to show you cool stuff. Look at this Hot Wheels R2-D2. Oh my freaking god. Like, I would take this if the package wasn't like beat to crap. I gotta find me one of them bad boys. What do I always tell you guys? You see unsuspecting stuff just sitting places, scan it. So you see these Corsair M65 RGB Elite? Those are $29. They're normally sold, at least on Walmart, for $59. Dang. If they were cheaper, that would have been great. I thought they were gonna go for more, considering that they're selling for more than on Walmart, but that's, by the way, electronics is going a little nuts, so I would definitely be checking, because you'll see things like, that's an $80 thingamabob. Oh, crushed again. Are you gonna spend $80 to make 19? Not if you're smart. The rest of this kind of just looks crappy, except for, okay, like if you are ungated in toner, sometimes, oh, transparency. Okay, so let me explain. See that transparency guy right there? If I had 5 of these, I probably could sell them, because I'm going to tell you right now, when I go to scan this into Amazon, I am probably going to be gated. Yeah. If there was a 3-pack of them, I could get away with that for whatever weird reason. But there's not. And here we are. Let's just check eBay. Brand new 40. We'll just pass on this. Big whoop. Oh, this Walmart is like a weird scavenger hunt. They hide clearance everywhere, even by the poopers. Why? Who would have known? Like, that's so weird. I had to go use a little cheesy room, and I love a treasure hunt, don't get me wrong, but there's some treasure hunts you just don't want to dig too deep into, if you know what I mean. This is Walmart obnoxiousness at its best. I'm like, holy crap, 90 cents. I haven't seen those before. And then when you scan the tag, it's a completely different product. It looks like that's gonna wrap it up here. Unfortunately, none of this tea is on clearance, or at least on clearance enough to be worth it. So we're gonna dip potato chip, head on out. Y'all know I love me some Target. Comment below, are you a Target super fan? I think that a lot of this is on clearance, but I don't know how much on clearance, because none of it's marked. But generally this is where they put their clearance, as you can tell by these Tonys. I know these are like 44, 45 bucks, something like that, but they're also screwed up. We'll take a picture of the UPC. These smaller sets, I'll just grab. Worst comes to worst, I'll come back over here. Because I want to check. There may be some media on clearance. So, great news, guys. All that crap was not on clearance. Those Legos, all that stuff, no. No, not one bit. So while I haven't really found anything, this is interesting. It's all 50% off, and I don't like anything from Target to 50% off because it's already 30% off marked up. But there's some neat stuff, so be on the lookout for any of your outdoorsy, patio-y, grilly, illy things, because they're probably going on clearance. That is what we call a bust. But hey, I got some Starbucks out of it, so, you know, treat yourself. All right, guys, we're in a new Walmart, and I can't show you what I just picked up, but it's a massive profit. It's kind of a replen that I found, and basically each one makes me about $20-ish, and I just found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 worth of them, and they're somewhere in this aisle. That's all I can tell you. Sworn to secrecy. They'll kill me, literally drag me out back and kill me, double tap style. All right, so here's a good one. These are 15 bucks, and you can't sell them new, but even used, they're selling close to 40. So you're still making like dang good money. I'm not seeing anything else here. Remember, I found these at the other store for $40. So I had looked it up. If there was a complete set with the black, which would be 160, there was a listing that would make you like 90 bucks. But of course, there's no black. Well, look at that, guys. Unfortunately, fees destroy that. That's not low enough for the trench run. And yeah, but Lego's starting to go on clearance. Looks like we got some tea on clearance. $1.25, gonna make almost $3 per, and there's about 4 of them. So that's nice. So remember I was telling you guys about those 90-cent bad boys? That's them right there. And while it's not a huge money maker, I mean, it's easy. You slap a label on it, get the date right, and make $1 or $2. I've already got a bunch at the house, so that's just going to add to my shipment already. Well, while that might have been the only stuff I got out of that Walmart, which was a decent haul, we're going to come over here to this Discovery Outlet, and they're moving. So they're having additional sales, because this could be really good. So usually where we're walking, there's like aisles upon aisles of stuff, but obviously the aisles are gone because they're doing a moving sale. I'm really going to have to do some hot digging here, but I'm checking out these. Oh, these guys. I haven't seen these in a hot minute. Hopefully they're still worth it. I'm not really seeing much else over here. If these weren't short dated for July 3rd, this would probably be a massive score. I mean, you're not going to be able to buy the whole thing, but yeah, this would have been $2 made $1. Honestly, you'd probably bundle this together because looks like where the real money is, because $4. These little guys would probably cost you about maybe not. See, and sometimes things like that just don't work out. However, your boy is going to get one for himself and put it at work, because I'm a sucker for these things. And people can be like, those are so gross. To me, they taste like vanilla Pepsi. But, you know, I'm also weird, and y'all know this. So I'm not seeing the makeup I hope would be here. But these brushes are $1. They're not selling the hottest. Let me show you. In 30 days, they've sold 1. They're $1. So if I buy 10 of them, and they sell, and I send it to FBA, and they sell, I'm gonna make stupid profit on each of them. See, I make $8 on every one of them. This is one of those cases where you're kind of playing a risky game. I'm gonna get a few of these, try it out, see what happens, right? Hey guys, it's your local freaking out cheese. That's right, I just got a phone call that my store is flooded with 2 inches of water. Why? Because apparently the toilet magically got stuck in the up position in the men's room and flooded the entire store. Also, one of the units next to me. So unfortunately, unless a miracle, it is times like this where you have to breathe, get a lot of shop vacs, mops, and squeegees, and get it done. I am eternally freaking out. I was telling my boss, I was like, dude, I didn't use the bathroom probably within an hour of leaving the store. I would have heard that toilet on. I have no idea. So yeah, that's fun. This may be the end of the video. It may not be the end of the video. Who knows? Guys, I'm gonna tell you, store at work flooded, 2 inches of water. I got there at 11:15 a.m. It is now 4:15 p.m. store's operational again, thanks to the people who helped, my assistant manager and myself. And I'm still gonna go in here and I'm still gonna source. This is why we check, man. Look at this. I know Amazon's on it, but they share the buy box. That's gonna be an easy $5 profit. Let's friggin' go. I'm probably also gonna have to keep one of these for my wife because she's got a circuit machine. She does the things. Black is always popular. We're gonna buy them all. That's $60 worth of cricket material. And y'all know cricket material is expensive. The gray, because I didn't check the gray. Okay, that one's a pass, but the black. Oh, hello, little friend. Yup, there we go. That's the one the wife can keep. Let's freaking go, right? I mean, it's not a huge profit. It's 10, 20, 30 bucks. That's how you do it. Just little bit by little bit sometimes. Look what I found. I think I'm just gonna grab one, maybe two. You're like, why are you only gonna grab two? I just sent like 2 in, so this will bring it to 4. You gotta be smart about this stuff. I know my game. It looks like they got a bunch, so that's great to know. Look, you can call it low-hanging fruit or low-hanging content creation or whatever you want to call it, but I guess we're going to triple up, hit every single one in my area. But after this, your boy is going home. As you can see, your boy is now leaving empty-handed. There's a couple reasons for this. One, it's hotter than the devil's butthole, and after the day that I've had today, I can't concentrate. 2, I looked, like I really did look. There wasn't anything that either I don't have already going into Amazon or that was worth it. They're starting to mark down a bunch of stuff, but that doesn't help me now. And 3, I'm tired. I really don't even know why I'm outsourcing. To be fair with you, I probably should have stopped, but the sirens call. That's just how it goes some days. But we did pretty good. I don't think it was a waste of a day. I'm gonna go home and pass out. Like, share, subscribe. Bye!